Mojo knew it felt bad for his reflection in the mirror to be mean to him. But Katie had the solution. Mojo just had to be respectful. Ah, yes, respectful. Of course, every VIM knows about being respectful. What does being respectful mean? Well, let's start by talking about not being respectful. When you don't have respect, you think of yourself as huge and very important. Compared to you, everyone else is tiny, and what they want isn't as important as what you want. It might seem fun at first, but most people don't like being tiny, and soon they won't like being around you at all. When you don't act like you're bigger than everyone else, everyone has fun. That's what respect means, knowing that you're not always the most important. Treat others like you want to be treated, and they'll do the same. Katie, you're a genius! Using respect, I'll make everyone love me in no time at all! Wait, Mojo, you can't just... But Mojo dashed off. Mojo's plan was simple. He'd do something respectful for everyone in class, and once they respected him, they'd all get to play his favorite playground game, Foursquare. Here you go. I got the best balls from all around the playground. Pretty respectful, eh? See you for Foursquare. There you go, Harry. Books are undone. Free press is here, and it's thanks to me. Pretty respectful, I know. Come play some Foursquare when you're done. Got you some pieces, every colour and size. That's some mad respect, Foursquare game outside soon. See you there. Mojo was ready. It was time for the big game. Where is everyone? No one showed up for my game. I don't want to play a game of one square, but I showed everyone respect. What is happening? What's wrong, Mojo? I showed everyone respect, but no one came to my game. What's the point of respect if they don't do what I ask? Respect doesn't work that way, Mojo. You're still acting bigger than everyone else. You can't just be respectful to get things back a minute later. You have to be respectful in the long run. You need to give it time. Oh no, not time. Time goes too slow, except on weekends. Mojo was in quite a pickle. He found out that it wasn't enough to do one respectful thing, especially if you don't mean it. What could he do differently? And what should he do next?